She became the focus of public anger over the baby pee scandal. Now, amid reports Sharon Shoesmith is getting a six-figure compensation payout, she's become the focus of fresh anger. It was a highly critical report into the death of Peter Connolly that led to her being fired as head of children's services at Haringey Council. But a court ruled her sacking live on TV was unfair.
Haringey Council will now remove the current Director of Children's Services from her post with immediate effect.
Today, the man who fired her is standing by his decision and says claims she's getting up to £600,000 compensation are hard to swallow.
After the terrible death of Peter Connolly, my first duty was to the children of Haringey and across the country to keep them safe. I had the information to act, and I did so, and I would do the same again. And the idea that now, 3 years later, she has received a payoff after what happened to Peter Connolly leaves a bad taste in the mouth.
Baby Peter died after months of abuse, despite dozens of visits from social workers, police and health professionals. His mother, her partner and their lodger were all jailed over his death, but much of the public outrage was directed at the authorities, who missed the opportunities to save him. We don't know the exact amount Sharon Shoesmith will now receive for her unfair dismissal, but it's set to be well above the minimum $30,000 originally suggested by the Court of Appeal. Today, politicians from all sides were united in their condemnation.
Well, I think the whole thing stinks, and I think it leaves a really poor taste in the mouth of most people, of taxpayers, that after all the horrific things that have gone on in Haringey, that somebody's going to be walking away with a six-figure sum and effectively being rewarded for failure.
The government and Haringey Council will share the bill using public money to compensate a woman who ran a dysfunctional department, all because they mishandled her dismissal. Rebecca Barry, 5 News.